The biggest problem that most people have when it comes to starting an online business is lack of knowledge. This video will show you how to start your own business with Amazon in just 3 simple steps. If you're looking for a way to make money from home, this could be the perfect option for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step and teach you exactly what I do every day. You can copy my exact strategies and turn them into your own profitable business that works 24/7 without having to leave your home. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you step by step how to get started with Amazon. You're going to start making passive income potentially 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's actually kind of easy. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to do is I want to go over to Amazon.com. Now, as you know, Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, and so there are tons of opportunity. Just looking on the screen here, you can see there's a lot of options. So let's go ahead and not delay. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. I want you to right click on Become an Affiliate. And again, this is what I do basically every day. And once you get over to Become an Affiliate, simply sign up and you're going to become an affiliate for Amazon Associates. Now, what this means is you are simply going to grab your affiliate link from Amazon. You are going to recommend products and services, and when customers click on the link and buy the product, you are going to get paid a commission. Now, what I want to show you this deal of the day right here. I'm going to click on this, and this product goes for $279. It is a seated under desk elliptical machine. Let's see if people are searching for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to jump over to YouTube and I am going to simply paste in the product name. And then I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, I went too fast, but as you can see here, people are A, searching for it, and B, creating content around this machine. Now let me just show you one thing here. So I typed in the product name and I hit the space bar and it comes back to 3 additional searches. Now, this is YouTube telling us what people are actually searching for. YouTube obviously collects the search and collects data from all of their users, and people are going over to YouTube, simply typing in the product name, and they're hitting enter. If we scroll down here, we take a look at this top result here. Top result, 1.2 million subscribers. Top result, 243,000 views. Result below that, 66 subscribers. 9.1 thousand views. This video is a 12-minute video. If they have their affiliate link in the description, in fact, I'm going to open this up. Even if 10% buy, that's 900 buyers. And when people click on the link, it takes them over to Amazon where they can buy the product. Let's say you get paid a 3% commission on this product. We'll bring over my calculator here and I'm just going to type in I'm going to type in 279 times 3%. So that would be $8.37. So if we take $8.37 and you multiply that by 900, you would get $7,533 from this product. And just got to pause this here real quick. And hopefully this person has their affiliate link in the description. It does not look like they do, which is unfortunate for them. And what will happen is once you create an account over here, you will have the ability to grab your affiliate link up here. So I'm just going to click text. I'm going to copy this link and I'm simply going to put the link in the description of this video. And that's how you could make potentially $7,533. But you don't just have to stop with this one video. You could upload 4 or 5 videos per week with different products. You can go back over here to best sellers, or you could decide that you want to focus on a niche or a category. So what we could do is we could go down to, let's go to home appliances. Let's go home garden tools, and we can take a look at, we can look at furniture. Kitchen and dining is probably going to be a good one. Organization. I'm just going to click on this. And the other cool thing with this thing here, I'm just going to copy this, is if we copy and paste this into Google, we have the potential to show up with our YouTube video as a top result. As you can see here, if we scroll down right here are the videos that we found over here. So you're double dipping with simple videos. You don't have to worry about buying stuff from China and shipping it over to an Amazon warehouse. You don't have to worry about making this stuff yourself. You simply go out and create a video where you may or may not show your face, and people click on your links and buy the product. And in addition, if you get 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours, you can potentially be monetized by Amazon. So there is a number of opportunities to do this. It's, in my opinion, the best opportunity out there. Let's go back over to what I was talking about before. All right, so here are a ton of options. Let's look at dining and entertaining. Now, this may or may not work for every single product, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work for a lot of them. Let's pick this product here for $105. Again, we're just going to copy this. We're going to copy everything up to the comma here, and we're going to jump over to YouTube, and we're simply going to paste this in. Hit the space bar. Now, as you can see, once again, people are searching this exact term and they're adding in for 8, adding in gray. But if we just hit enter here, we can see that people are doing this. This top result here from 11 months ago, 231 subscribers, 2.8 thousand views. And again, once you add in your affiliate link, let's say you make 3% commission, this person could make, again, 10%, 200 sales with this just one product. What you could do, and again, this doesn't require you to buy anything up front. This doesn't require you really to do a whole lot of work other than some research. You read the product description, talk about the strengths and weaknesses, even do some comparisons. And that's something I haven't even gotten into yet. What we could do is we could do comparison videos as well. So we could just type in versus and we could see what pops up and see if there's more opportunity. But you could go through and do this for every single product. This video right here, 290 subscribers, 277 views. This is a 2-minute video where they're just showing B-roll, not even showing their face. And it's the channel is called Amazing Products. If we click on this, I'm pretty sure that they have a bunch of 2-minute videos, 3-minute videos where they're not showing their face. They've collected a bunch of B-roll from all over the place and they've made videos. If we take a look at this, 2 minutes, 35 seconds, 2 minutes. They're finding B-roll from the product website and they're simply putting it up here. I could show you how to do this. This is really easy, but if you make the extra effort and you can do voiceover with B-roll, like you saw at the beginning of this video, you can build a following, get leads and sales, and you can actually add in your own recommendations. You can talk about the strengths and you can talk about the weaknesses, but this is the absolute best and fastest way to start building an online business with Amazon in 2021. It's not finding that one obscure product over on China, over on AliExpress, and having it shipped over to Amazon, because let me tell you what happens. Amazon looks at all the numbers and data and analytics, and they find and they see what's working and what isn't working. They see what customers are buying, and then next thing you know, they're making an Amazon Basics equivalent. This way you are taking the products that are over on Amazon already and you are simply talking about the strengths and weaknesses. But you can do this for anything. One that I wanted to show you, you can do this for mini fridges. You could do the 10 best mini fridges, which is going to be very good for back to school. If we go back up here, we could do mini fridge, as you can see here. You can do mini waffle maker. You can do mini just about anything, and there's going to be very good opportunity. So we're going to click this. We are going to copy this right here. Copy this, jump back over to Amazon, jump back over to YouTube, paste this in, hit the space bar. As you can see, people have already done this. Hit the space bar, I hit enter, but this top result here, 232,000 subscribers, 6.3 thousand views. The result below it, 149 views. This again is a B-roll video that's 56 seconds long. Video below that, 20,000 views, 1.3. This one right here, 3 subscribers, 830 views. 4-minute video. They don't show their face. Probably not a great video, but there is tons of opportunity, and if you really wanted to, you could create 5 videos per day in this one niche and break it in potentially. But this is a very good opportunity, and it doesn't require you to go out and get, again, it doesn't require you to go out and find that product, do a lot of market research. You just copy and paste and see if people are searching this. Well, let me give you another example. We can go back to, let's hit back a couple times. We could go back to, let's look at this product right here. Simply click on the product, copy it here, jump back over to YouTube, paste it in. As you can see, somebody is searching for it, and top result from 1 week ago, 1 subscriber, no views, that's okay. 1 view from 4 weeks ago. Again, this may not work for every single product, but the only research that you have to do is simply copy the name of the product, paste it in, and see what's happening. And then again, you can check and see if people are watching videos. You can check and see if the videos are showing up on the front page of Google as well. Scroll down, and it doesn't appear that way. But this is an incredible opportunity. I recommend that you find products that are at least $100, because let's say Amazon pays you a 3% commission. 3% of $100 is $3. So you want to find products that are going to be a little bit on the higher end, but as you can see, there is plenty of opportunity. You can sort by price if you wanted to. We'll go back over to Amazon. You can sort by price. You can sort by reviews. You can, let's see, we can do $100 to $200. You can do minimum $100 and only talk about the products that are at least $100. And that right there is going to give you tons of opportunity. Let's see, just copy and paste it. It's really that easy. Now that you know how to start an online business with Amazon in 2021, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.